confirm the appointment, set expectations, and prepare tools and parts before you leave for the home. Before you depart, call the homeowner to confirm availability and to verify the service address and entry instructions. Introduce yourself and the company, state your estimated time of arrival, and ask if there are any recent changes to the equipment or safety concerns you should know about. While on the call, quickly review the repair history or work order and note any parts or specialized tools you will need so you can stage them in your vehicle. Check estimated travel time and traffic so you can give an accurate arrival window and avoid repeated calls. Use clear, polite language and listen for cues about pets, occupants, or access limitations so you can plan for personal protective equipment and respectful interaction. Finally, make a brief checklist for yourself. Phone call made, parts staged, route checked, and customer expectations set. Common mistakes begin with skipping the pre-arrival call, which leaves customers unsure and can result in missed appointments. Avoid this by always calling at least 15 minutes before departure to confirm. Another issue is failing to review the equipment history so technicians arrive without the right parts or tools. Solve that by scanning work orders and parts lists and staging a prioritized parts kit in your truck. A third frequent problem is giving an imprecise arrival window, which leads to frustrated customers. Fix this by checking traffic and telling the customer a realistic window that you can meet and then updating them if anything changes. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and share project experiences. Our site helps contractors find work, and our discussion community lets both homeowners and service pros ask questions, share tips, and coordinate expectations before a visit.